Welcome to our wild animal adventure. Today, we're going to meet 20 amazing animals from around the world. Are you ready? Let's go. 1. Lion. The lion is the king of the jungle with its golden mane and powerful roar. 2. Elephant. Elephants are gentle giants known for their long trunks and big ears. 3. Giraffe. The giraffe has a long neck that helps it reach the highest leaves in the savanna. 4. Tiger. The tiger's orange coat with black stripes helps it blend into its forest home. 5. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes that make them look like they're wearing pajamas. 6. Panda. Pandas are black and white bears that love to eat bamboo all day long. 7. Kangaroo. Kangaroos have strong legs and a pouch to carry their babies, called joeys. 8. Dolphin. Dolphins are smart mammals that love to swim and play in the ocean. 9. Penguin. Penguins are birds that can't fly but are excellent swimmers in the cold Antarctic waters. 10. Cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal, reaching speeds of up to 70 miles per hour. 11. Koala. Koalas are fuzzy marsupials from Australia that sleep a lot and love to eat eucalyptus. 12. Polar bear. The polar bear has thick fur and loves to live in the cold Arctic regions. 13. Gorilla. Gorillas are strong apes that live in the forests of Africa and are known for their gentle nature. 14. Hippopotamus. Hippos are large animals that love to spend time in water to keep cool. 15. Sloth. Sloths are the slowest mammals on Earth and spend most of their time hanging around in trees. 16. Octopus. Octopuses are intelligent creatures that can change their appearance to hide from predators. 17. Crocodile. Crocodiles are reptiles with strong jaws and sharp teeth, making them powerful hunters. 18. Eagle. Eagles are birds of prey with sharp eyesight and powerful wings for flying. 19. Orangutan. Orangutans are great apes that live in the rainforests of Asia and are known for their long arms. 20. Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth, feeding on tiny krill in the ocean. And there you have it, 20 incredible wild animals from all over the world. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Goodbye.